In this video, we are going to talk about our Leetcode problem of the day. And our August month has been started over here. So, daily problem statements we have been for the Leetcode. So, now let's read our first problem statement. The number of senior citizens. It's an easy level problem. So, basically, we have been given a zero index array of strings, means details. Each element of detail provides information about a given passenger compressed into a string of length 15. Basically, this string given over here is of length 15. The first 10 character consist of phone number of passengers. These first 10 characters, these are what first 10 characters. These are the phone numbers of the passengers given over here. And then the next character is what? It is the gender of the passenger. It whether it is male or female. It must be M or F either of the two only. Then the following two characters are used to indicate the age of the person. Basically, these two characters are the age of the person, and the next two characters are the seat allotted to that person. So, this is the 10th character, this is 11, and then this is 12 and 13. The age of a person are given in the 12th and the 13th index of the string over here. So, we have to check that the return the number of passenger means count. You have to return the count of the passengers who have age strictly more than 60 years old. Means the age of the passenger must be greater than 60. Age of the passenger must be greater than 60, not equals to or less than. It must be greater than 60. So you have to return the count of it. So basically, how will we be able to solve the problem statement? Let's discuss about the approach over here. First of all, this string given over here, it is of which index? It is of index 12 and index 13. So basically, we have to iterate in the index 12 and index 13 only. So in Python over here, we have been given an integer to means string to integer conversion. Okay, basically this given over here, it is what? It is a string over here. This is a string over here. So we have to convert it to integer. But how should we convert the whole string to integer? We need only 12 and 13 indexes only. 12 and 13 indexes characters only. So we must convert them into string. So basically, what we have to do, taking answer equals to what? Int of what? Int of detail of 11 to 13. 11 to 13. Basically, what does this 11 to 13 mean? 11 to 13 means the characters 12 and 13 means it counts character only after 11. 11 to till 13 means 12 and 13 over here. So basically, we have to iterate through it. We have to iterate a for loop through it. Means let's try to solve it with the coding approach over here. First of all, we will initialize a count over here. Count equals to 0. Then we will run a for loop, means iterating through each element in the details. Or we can say iterating through each character in the details. For detail in details. Then we are checking answer equals to what? Answer equals to converting the string to integer of detail of what? Detail from the indexes 11 till the indexes 13 means 12 and 13 over here. And then we will check if our answer is what greater than 60. If our answer is greater than 60, then we will increment the count. Then our count will be incremented over here. So at last we will do what? We will return our count over here. Return count. So let's try to understand means let's try to do the dry run of this code. So basically, let's take this example. So first of all, let's see that let's understand that the first 10 characters are what? These are the four numbers. We have to iterate through only the 12th and the 13th character over here. The 12th and the 13th character, which is what? The 12th character is 4 and the 13th character is 0, means 40. The age is given here 40 over here. So for detail in details, means for detail in details, means the for iterating through each character in the string, means iteration over each character, one after the other, one after the other. But our answer is equals to what? Our answer is equals to integer of integer of detail of 12 to 13, means 11 to 13. Okay, so basically this converts the 12th 12th index detail of 12 is what? 4 over here. Detail of 12 is what? 4. We have been given. So our detail of 12 is what? 4 over here. But we are now doing int of it. We are doing int of it. After doing the int of it, int of detail of 12, it will become a number over here. It will just become a number over here. So this semicolons will remove. It will become actual 4 over here. And then int of detail of 11. Int of detail of 11 is what? 0 over here. Means our total answer equals to what? Answer equals to 40 over here. Okay, this 40. So now we will check if our answer is greater than 60. Means if 40 is greater than 60, means if we can able to see that the 40 is less than 60. So our count will not be incremented and this string will return what? 0. Okay, this will return 0 over here. As you are able to see in this example, the age given over here is what? 92. Age given over here is 92. So it will print 1 over here. Our count will be incremented by 1 because the age is what? 92, means it is greater than 60. And in this also it is the age is given here is greater than 60. So our count will be written 1 only. Answer can come only in binary character, means either 1 or either 0, means only the detail of one passenger is given in this string over here. So we can get only answer in the form of 1 or 0, means either the person age is greater than 60 or it is less than 60. So how we can solve this question in the C++? How we can solve this question in the C++? This was the Python approach. Now in C++, basically we use string to integer function in C++. String to integer means s to i. Okay, this converts the, for example, this is 4. This converts the 4 to what? The integer form. This 4 to integer form. And for example, we have to take the substring. We have to take substring from 11 and okay, 11 till 13 means two forms. Okay, 12 and 13. We have to take 12 and 13 over here. Okay, so we will take substring of substr of 11 till from 11 till 2 characters means 12 and 13 over here, from 11 till 2 characters. So basically this was just the explanation for the C++ approach. So now let's discuss the C++ code also. Let me submit this. Okay, so we have got our C++ compiler over here. So basically, first of all, we will initialize our count to 0. In count equals to 0, then we will run a for loop. Okay, means as you are able to see in the Python over here, we also have iterated through using for loop. So for constant constant of std string string over here, string ampersand. Okay, because the given input is what string over here, string detail till details, means for each detail in the details, the given string means each character in the details over here. So iterating through each character in the details, we are initializing now our answer, or we can say age also. Let's make it instead of answer, let's make it age in the Python over here. If our age is greater than 60, our count will be incremented over here. Okay, so now it's clear. Our count will be incremented by 1 if our age is greater than 60. Now here also we are initializing our age over here. Int age equals to what? Std of this putting the std over here is not necessary every time. It's your choice to, means if you want to put, you can put, or is there are many inbuilt function in the C++ over here, so don't worry. So basically I have used string to integer function over here, stoi, means it will convert the string to integer. Same is in the Python over here, I have used int, means converting the string to integer. Now in Python I have used this format, means detail of 11 till 13, means it is counting the character indexes 12 and 13. Similarly, I have used detail dot substring of 11 and for two characters, means 11 for two character. The meaning of the uh, means both the codes are same, just this difference is in the syntaxes. Means 12 and 13, we are taking 11 up, means two characters after 11, in this two characters after 11 over here. Then we are checking that if our age is what greater than 60. If our age is greater than 60, we will increment our count by 1 over here. And then last, we will return our count. Okay, so now let's try to submit it. Yeah, now let's try to submit it. So it is being accepted over here. So this was all for the today's C++ and Python code. Okay, so its runtime is less, but it is beating only 47% of the C++ users. So it's okay. Let's discuss about its time complexity. Its time complexity is O of n over here. Okay. We don't calculate the constants over here. So it's using a for loop one time. So its complexity is O of n. So this was all for the today's editorial. Thank you.